So hi guys, what's up? So for today's video, I will going to discuss about formative assessment. So we all know that there is a lot of assessment, but I will focus for formative assessment.
What is formative
So
assessment?
what is formative assessment? So when we say formative assessment, it is an assessment done during the instructional process for the purpose of improving teaching or learning by Block and William on 2003. So what makes formative assessment formative? It is formative because it is immediately used to make adjustment to help students learn the lesson better. It is important to know what is a not formative assessment and what is a formative assessment. So when we say not formative assessment is not an instrument or event. It is not used for grading, and it is not used as a punishment for students if they misbehave. So what is formative assessment? So, formative assessment is a collection of practices that leads to student learning improvement. Tool for the teacher to determine what they need to do to move the learner forward, and a technique to help the student optimize learning. So, how we deliver formative assessment? So, first is evaluation of student progress. So under this is observation, questioning, and self-evaluation. So after observation is we conduct questioning to the student and then self-evaluation. So the next process is feedback to student. So we need to give feedback to the student so that they will know how they can improve themselves. And then the last step is instructional correctives. So under this is we conduct student activities. Formative assessment is only effective when teachers are clear about their intended learning goals for a lesson. So if the teachers are not clear about their intended learning goals for a lesson, then formative assessment will be not an effective. Teachers should focus on what student will learn than what student will do. Teachers should share the learning goals or actively create in it with the students at the beginning of the lesson. We all know that learning goals is at the beginning of the lesson. It will not at the last. How the teacher do it? So that by gathering the evidence through interaction with students, observation of their tasks and activities, or analysis of their work product. Whatever teacher used to collect as an evidence of learning should be evidence that are actionable by them and their students. So collection should be systematic so that teachers have constant stream of information tied to indicator of progress. Traditional view on assessment. Traditionally, it is believed that assessment is in a form of quizzes, final examination, pop test, and etc. It is the best way to motivate the students. Because of this, the term assessment or testing created a negative image to the student. It has become the greatest intimidator of the student. Thus, anxiety arose from the student when the word assessment is said or when assessment are given the teacher. The main goal of assessment is to assess the student if they learn something from the discussion. So that's all guys. I hope you learned something about the discussion. So for more video, just click here to subscribe. So once again, I am Kinjimay Maladjara Kayes, a Technology and Livelihood Education major in Home Economics students at nagsasabing bisan di anong kakuri atongan padayon kita future educator.